God. Isn't that a great beginning to the trail run? So we're today at Green Ridge again. This is like, I don't know, the 5th time. That was really good. That was 2 tires. That was 2. Really? Yeah, that was both tires.
That was both of them. I can see the marks.
Yeah. That was good.
There's half of my tire.
Oh my God. That's what you call a good burnout.
That's what you call.
Green Ridge State Park is in the top left of Maryland, about an hour and a half from my part of town. Honestly, we thought our trip was going to be a lot wetter than it was because of how foggy it was on our way up. You could not see a thing. Green Ridge mostly consists of gravel roads with ruts because people live up there, but there's a bunch of trails that lead off the main roads that really will exercise any 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive vehicle. Again, how do I do it? It's a zoomed in. Once again, my exercise for the day. Listen to that. Oh yeah. 5-cylinder. I love how that sounds.
The pops they have.
It reminds me of my old Volvo. Because the old one, the new one's a turbo 6. The old one was a 5.
This is a 5.
And it sounded just like that.
This is a straight 5 actually.
It brings me back. I love that noise.
Ready? Dallas, I'm right here. Dallas, I'm right here. Ready? Dallas, I'm right here. Dallas, I'm right here. Ready? Dallas, I'm right here. Dallas, I'm right here. Ready?
What?
The one on the left or the one on the right, the steeper one?
The one on the left, I think, is steeper.
The one on the right is just like a dip with a whole bunch of mud in it. The one on the left, the trail actually dips straight down like a solid foot. And we will scrape on that, or at least I will. I don't know about you two, but I've got like 3 feet of bed behind my rear tires.
Yeah, me too. This one I think I'm gonna do it. It's deep, so like you can't stop. So, oh boy.
Which one, the one on the right?
Yeah, because I was thinking that, I was like, whoa, that seems awfully deep.
For me?
No, just for me. Wow. Oh, did you turn it off?
She just flooded herself.
Oh my god.
It's alright, I'll fix it when I get back home. Fix it again. My button doesn't even have power to it anymore.
Really?
I think I blew the fuse.
Probably.
So that's the good news. I'd rather blow the fuse than reboot it again.
That's the nice thing about fuses.
So I guess we're hitting advanced auto parts on the way home.
Yoo! Yeah, because like if you look at your bumper, it didn't go like until like here.
Oh, it's like it felt like it went under for a second.
It felt like it. Your exhaust, like my exhaust went under because I heard it go blah 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 blah.
Maybe that's what it was. I thought it was like my
Yeah.
my intake or something.
Oh, yeah.
That's why it was making that noise.
Yeah, that's the exhaust. Yeah. my god. Really?
My emergency kit.
Oh my god. Because I was looking at the
Oh god, we fucked it up good.
yeah. I was looking at the well, I was watching you go through it, and I was like, oh god, I hope he goes slow through that rut.
It's alright, boys. I got zip ties.
So that was I already forgot the name of that road, but it was pretty interesting, pretty muddy. Now we are on another road that connects to some other trails. There's so many more trails that I've never been on. Like, I haven't been on that road before that we were just on. It's just like, I'm really excited to see what's coming. Cow. Oh my god. Cows. They're so cute. After a bit of driving, we met up with some of my friends, and one of them even brought his Mercedes-Benz 300 TE 4MATIC wagon in 1991. It was really cool to see an uncommon vehicle out on the trail, just having a good time. We split up after that and then headed to my favorite camp spot at Green Ridge. So, this is the best part about Green Ridge. If you're coming here to camp or just have lunch, I forgot the number of this campsite, maybe 64, but like, look at the view that you get. Like, oh my god. And then, like, I'm saying like a lot, but you listen to that brook down there, and then you eat, you fall asleep, and then you wake up to this view. Well, hopefully the weather's nice. You know, this also has me thinking, well, I hope you can hear me. I love my truck because it takes me out to places like this. Insane places that with a car, like with my car would never be able to take me here. That's why I love even an all-wheel drive. That's why, like, I really encourage anyone, as soon as you have decent clearance, all-wheel drive, decent tires, even street tires in some areas would be fine, like here, just get out there and just, you know, look at nature. I mean, like, it's fantastic. Unfortunately, it was about 5 o'clock and our time was over for the day, and we were all hungry, so we decided to head home. But there was a quick little water crossing that we did go through, and luckily it did not end up like last time at Green Ridge. So that was a nice water crossing. I think this might be the end of this video because it's about 5 o'clock. So yeah, like, if I don't make an outro later, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.